Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week we made challenge coins out of wood.
We were asked to make some challenge coins out of wood, so let's go ahead and take a look at how we did this.
We begin by creating a cut file from an image. I had to manipulate the image a little bit in order to create a cut file as well as an engrave file. We are engraving the letters and cutting out the rest.
Now that we have an image, it's time to start cutting. Next, we will make circles for the backs of the coins.
We could have set the laser at a higher power and ensured everything came apart. Unfortunately, if it's too strong, it will start to scorch the wood. In this case, some of the pieces didn't come out, and so we have to manually cut them.
This is a very delicate process. If you push too hard on the pieces, it will snap. Mr. Poorman snapped quite a few of them and ruined them. Next, we clean the surface using denatured alcohol to remove imperfections caused by the laser. Now we're going to glue the surface to the base.
A few minutes later.
It's time to prepare and pour the first layer of epoxy.
I really don't think he meant to do that. Now for the tedious part, trying to get rid of as many bubbles as possible.
We next cover the epoxy as it dries to prevent dust or bugs from landing and ruining the coins.
Lots of bubbles still formed, so now we have to sand them out.
Eventually,
And now to remove the excess epoxy from the back. We now have to touch up each coin for damage caused while sanding.
And now for the final coat to finish it up.
Now, that was actually kind of fun to do this. We're looking forward to actually giving it to the person that asked us to make these. Apparently, there are going to be some gifts. Hopefully the recipients enjoy that as well. We've got several projects that we are doing right now. They're related to what we're doing as our side business of making custom gifts for people. And so we came up with some different things that we've made, and we're going to show you how we made those as well. So until we meet again, bye-bye.